So hello everyone, this is Musings of Ria and this is my first YouTube video, and here I'm showing my bullet journal setup for the new year, that is 2021. I have been bullet journaling for 2 years now, and this time I decided to make a video about it. So as you can see, here is my year at a glance spread. Then I have my future log. I didn't write the whole calendar again, just I would write the dates and anything that's upcoming for that. Here I have my goals, which have been divided into different categories, according as you wish, according to my need. And I have done a bit of doodling just here and there, and I really like this spread. Next, I have my pages for all the surahs that I will memorize and all the supplications that I'm gonna memorize this year, because in my previous spread I have some religious goals for this year, so I want to be more religious. Here I have made a spread for all the books and movies that I'm gonna read this year, along with the shows, and I usually watch them on Netflix, so I've made that little doodle over there. Here is my mood tracker for the whole year. I thought it was more practical to make a tracker for whole year at one place instead of making it monthly, but it's just your own preference. Here I have the expense tracker. Again, I have made it for the whole year instead of making it monthly, since I don't have a lot of financial things to track off. It's just once in a while kind of thing, and the spread will be more than enough. Here I have my beaded tracker, and I don't know, I really like those drops of blood. I know it sounds creepy, but yeah. Okay, so now this was all my yearly spreads, and here comes my monthly spread. And at first I was just gonna keep it simple, just green, but then I was like, nah, just spice it up a little bit, and so I just took on the theme of different types of leaves. And new year, new beginning, I don't know, it just leaves gives the vibes of refreshing vibes, and so I thought, why not? So here's my monthly spread and then habit tracker. I haven't filled it in yet because I haven't decided on what more habits I want to track, but yeah, I will get into it sooner or later. Here I have made a spread for highlights of the day. I'll just write one thing that happened that day to keep a track of, because I really like keeping track of my days. And I will have another diary for that, which I will maybe I'll make a video of it. Anyways, here is my sleep tracker. I didn't have the space left, so I just wrote track. And then my phone and study tracker, it would track the usage, how many hours am I using my phone and studying, etc. Here is my food tracker, and then gratitude log. In food tracker, I'm also going to track my water and caffeine intake. Then these simple spreads are the weekly spreads. I wanted it to keep simple yet functional. I didn't make any doodles here because I want to write all the tasks that needed to be done, so it's more of like a planner in these spreads. So yeah, hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like to watch more of these videos. Bye. Subscribe to my channel if